15 more silent psychology tricks. 1. Speak with your eyes. Maintain calm, natural eye contact. Not staring, not avoiding. It signals confidence and honesty. 2. Listen first, speak later. The person who listens controls the conversation. People trust those who make them feel heard. 3. Pause before responding. Don't reply instantly. A short pause makes your response feel thoughtful and powerful. 4. Say less, mean more. Talking too much weakens impact. Few words feel strong. 5. Use questions to lead. Questions guide thinking better than statements. A question makes the brain engage. 6. Control your emotions. If you control your emotions, you control the situation. 7. Give rare, honest praise. Fake compliments feel cheap. Real praise creates deep influence. 8. Keep open body language. Relaxed posture and open arms signal confidence and trust. 9. Stop talking before you finish. Leave a sentence slightly open. The mind fills the gap and remembers you. 10. Stay calm under pressure. Calm people appear powerful. Others naturally follow their lead. 11. Don't react to everything. Silence is often the strongest response. 12. Let others talk more. People convince themselves when they speak. You just guide. 13. Offer options instead of no. Don't reject, redirect. It keeps influence intact. 14. Never lower your value. Don't be available all the time. Scarcity builds respect. 15. End the interaction first. Leaving first signals confidence and importance. It creates curiosity.